This isn't my normal content by any means, but today I'm in a predicament. So today we're going to quickly unclog my sink using things found in your own home. It's been 6 months since my last drainage issue, but now I'm having it again. The water doesn't drain away. First of all, boil some water. I don't have any fast boiling options, so I'm just using the stove. Now what else do you need? Some baking soda and some vinegar. Many people use white vinegar, I use apple vinegar, but it doesn't really matter because it gets the job done. Now using this drainage pump, I managed to get most of the water away from here. The less water you have in the sink when you begin, the better. And my water is boiling. Now what you want to do is to drain half of it into the sink. Now I'm going to boil some more. As you can hear, my drainage is doing weird sounds. Now when you start hearing those sounds in the first place, then you know that you have a drainage issue already. And this is the perfect and last time to do this home remedy, otherwise you're going to need a plumber. Now this hot water needs to simmer in those pipes about 5 minutes. After that, we're going to add 1 cup of baking soda. Let's add baking soda, 1 cup of it. Now what I recommend you to do is to try to get it as deep as possible. Just smash it down. Let it go as far as possible. Try to imagine that you're trying to get this white powder down the drain as soon as possible before the cops get into your apartment. So this should be the final product. And it's time to add vinegar. I would recommend using half of the bottle. And let's see how it reacts. Now let the baking soda and vinegar do its thing about 5 minutes and then pour another half of your boiling water into the sink and let it stay there for another 5 minutes. Now what I usually like to do now is add some fairy or whatever anti-grease thing you have and pour a little bit down the drain. Open your sink, the hottest water you can, let it run for 5 minutes. And your water should drain away. Beautiful! You've done it. You unclogged your own sink. Hope you enjoyed this video.